Number 20. Given Px, polynomial, x plus 3 is one of the factor. Okay, one of the factor means if you substitute negative 3 into this polynomial, the remainder is 0. Factor 0, one of the factor. Factorize completely means the polynomial is cubic. Okay, and then you have to factorize 3 bracket. Okay, completely. This one of the factor. Okay, so this one is x plus 3. Then find the other two. Okay, next express 3x plus 8 over this polynomial. 3x plus 8 over this one. Okay, the 3 bracket. Cubic. So let's discuss number 20.
20. Given Px, x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. And x plus 3 is one of the factor. Dia dah bagi tahu dah. X plus 3 is one of the factor. Maksudnya, statement of P negative 3 is 0. Okay, sebab dia dah bagi tahu dah. X plus 3. Saya tulis balik X plus 3 is a factor. Meaning, P negative 3 should be 0. Okay, and soalan tu minta kita factorize completely. Okay, so kita akan buat CTC kat sini. Okay, so dah tahu dah satu factor. Okay, that is x plus 3. So satu linear factor mesti digandingkan dengan a quadratic supaya hasilnya dia jadi x cube. So a quadratic will take a general form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Kalau linear, dia ambil bentuk. Okay, if it's linear, ax plus b. If it's quadratic, okay, you will take this form lah. Okay, kalau depan tu dah pakai unknown a, pakai bx plus c. Macam tu lah. Kalau tak pakai lagi, mula dengan a. So, I'm going to do c. Matlamat kita nak cari ni lah. A, B, C. Okay, lepas tu nanti kita akan dapat dah ada A, B, C. Dia dalam bentuk kuadratik, kita check pula. Kuadratik tu boleh faktor tak into two linear? Kalau boleh, maka kena factor sampai sini. Kalau tak boleh, then baru kekal dia sebagai dalam bentuk kuadratik yang tak boleh faktor tu. That's how important for quadratic. You kena check. Check apa? Boleh faktor ataupun tak boleh faktor. Very important. Okay, so kita buat dulu. Cari dulu ABC kita. Which I'm going to use CTC. Okay. My way of CTC, saya suka cari constant dulu. Saya mula dengan constant. Senang. Constant apa? Sebelah kiri 3. Sebelah kanan 3 kali C. Apa kali apa jadi constant? Itu je lah. Kan? 3C. So, kita terus dapat C sama dengan 1. Okay? C sama dengan 1. And then kita move on dengan kuasa yang paling tertinggi. Saya akan always mula dengan kuasa paling tertinggi. So, kalau kuasa paling tertinggi, X cube 1, koefisien dia. Sebelah kanan, macam mana nak dapat X cube? How to get X cube? There's only one way. X kali AX square. Dapatlah AX cube. So, A lah. Just ambil dia punya perkali sahaja. Dia punya x cube, x square apa semua tu tak kita tulis. So, terus dapat dah A kita. And then, kita move on ke kuasa yang seterusnya, x square pula. Okay, so kalau x square, 1 juga. X square, x ni kena berhati-hati sebab dia mungkin ada 2 atau 3 lebih daripada 1 lah cara untuk dapat x square. Dan x, especially x. X mungkin banyak lah. Okay, so kalau X square, X ni mesti kena darab dengan X baru jadi X square kan? So darab dengan PX lah. B. Itu je ke? Kat sini kamu kena jaga-jaga, check lagi. Nak check satu-satu pun boleh, satu tak boleh. Next ke B, ke A tak boleh, ke B betul, ke C tak boleh. Okay, untuk 3 pula. 3 pun mesti kena darab dengan AX square. So jadi 3A. Next dah tak ada dah lah. Darab B dapat X saja, darab C dapat constant, habis dah. So A dah ada. Masukkan A kita 1. So kita dapat B sama dengan A1 kan? A1 so 3. So B sama dengan 1 tolak 3 tolak 2. So dah ada nilai A, B, C ni. Ambil A, ambil B, ambil C, nanti. Okay. So tulis balik X kita as X plus 3 A1 so X square, B negative 2 of X, C1 so plus 1. Okay, next which is very important, quadratic tu kena check. Kena check tengok quadratic boleh faktor ke tak boleh faktor. Kalau tak boleh faktor, tinggal macam ni. Tapi in our case sekarang ni, dia boleh faktor. So kalau boleh faktor, wajib kena faktor. Tu the most simplest form. So dia akan jadi X minus 1 minus 1. And then boleh simplify lagi. Dia jadi repeated linear factor X minus 1 square. Okay, that's for number 20A. Factorize PX completely. Okay. Next, express as a sum of partial fraction. Okay, ni saya tunjuk detail lah partial fractionnya. Okay, so express 3x plus 8 over with px. Px kita apa? Tulis balik. So 3x. X plus 8 over with x plus 3 x minus 1 square. So di case linear dengan repeated linear. Ini case ni linear. Yang ini repeated linear. Okay. Dia bukan quadratic. Originally quadratic, tapi quadratic yang boleh difaktor dan dah boleh faktor jadi faktor yang sama pula. So dia falls under the category of repeated linear, iaitu macam soalan nombor 18 lah. So kalau dalam bentuk, nak express dalam bentuk partial fractions, dia akan jadi A over linear factor x plus 3 plus B over first linear factor of x minus 1 plus C over the next linear factor x minus 1. Dan yang ini square ni dia akan naik. Okay, dia mula daripada single factor naik ke double factor. Okay, so kuasa akan naik sehingga kuasa n tu lah. Okay, now partial fraction, samakan penyebut. Penyebut mesti sama dengan penyebut asal. Penyebut asal soalan. Okay, so apa dia? So x plus 3 x minus 1 square. Okay, so untuk A, bawah dia dah ada x plus 3. Bawah dia dah ada x plus 3. So dia tak cukup apa? So dia tak cukup x minus 1 square. So kita darab dengan x minus 1 square. Okay. Untuk B pula, dia bawah dia dah ada x minus 1. Tapi x minus 1 dia ada kuasa 1 je. So maksudnya dia masih lagi perlu x minus 1 lagi sekali, another factor, dan dia tak ada x plus 3. Cukupkan dia, balancekan dia, seimbangkan dia. Yang penyebut ni mesti kena sama dengan yang asal. Okay. Untuk C pula, dia dah ada x minus 1 square, so dia tak cukup apa? C of x plus 3. Macam tu. Okay. Daripada sini, kamu boleh just equate the numerator part dah. Dah boleh abai dah ke denominator part. Okay. So, you may equate numerator dengan numerator. So tulis semula. Maka 3x plus 8 equals to, saya kena berlawan dengan suara hujan di luar ni. Dengar tak suara saya?
Dengar, Madam.
Dengar Okey. X plus 3 plus C X plus 3. Saya duduk pun sebelah tingkap. So kuat hujan ni. Okey, so kita nak buat CTC lah sekarang ni. Kita ni saling yang numerator dengan numerator. So tak semestinya compare to coefficient pun boleh, substitution value of X pun boleh. Saya suka substitution value of X sebab dengan mudah kita dapat matikan. Sebagai contoh, kalau kita ambil X sama dengan 1, okay, X sama dengan 1, kita hilang A, kita hilang B, kita terus dapat cari C. Dan satu lagi, X sama dengan 3 pula. So kalau X sama dengan negatif 3. So kalau X sama dengan negatif 3, kita hilang C, kita hilang B, kita terus dapat cari A. So sebenarnya cepat substitution value of X. Nak tahu apa nilai X yang bersesuaian tu, tengok aja daripada faktor kita tu lah. Daripada faktor-faktor tu, jadikan X as a subject. Itu akan jadi substitution, the most suitable substitution value of X. Ataupun awak boleh at all time pakai 1, 0, negatif 1. Okay, boleh je pakai apa-apa tu. Tapi nanti takut kalau pakai yang 2, 3 jadi kembang besar lah kan. Okay, so yang ni yang paling common lah. Ni paling common. Kalau tak ada yang apa-apa yang sesuai yang lain. Or else boleh buat CTC, or boleh juga mix substitution dengan CTC. Okay, ni saya tunjuk mix nantilah. So kita ambil 2 value of X, 1 dengan negatif 3 dan kita mix dengan CTC satu langkah saja nak mix supaya ada option. Banyak cara sebenarnya boleh diselesaikan. So CTC, substitution value of X. So when you substitute X equals to 1, so 3 times 1, 8 lah. 3 times 1, 3 plus 8, 11. So yang ni 1 minus 1, 0, dah kosong dah. Ni pun 1 minus 1, 0, darab dengan apa pun 0 dah. Itulah kata senang, cepat. Okay, ni 1 plus 3, 4, 4C. So kita dapat C equals to 1 over 4. Okay, next, negative 3. So negative 3, negative 3 times 3, negative 9, negative 9 plus 8, negative 1. Negative 3. Negative 3 minus 1, negative 4, negative 4 square, 16A. Yang ni 0, 0. Okay, plus 0, plus 0. Okay, plus 0, 0 ni tak perlu tulis lah. Tak perlu tulis. So A sama dengan negative 1 over 16. Okay, untuk C, boleh, untuk the next one, you may go for 0. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay. Ganti 0. Or saya nak buat CTC saja, saya nak mix. Kalau ganti kosong, just ganti kosong, 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 nilaikan lah. Lepas tu ganti A dengan C, dapat B. CTC saya suka constant. Senang. Constant ataupun kuasa tertinggi X. Tapi X tak nak lah, banyak sangat X nanti takut tertinggal. So just go for constant. So constant 8. Sebelah kanan macam nak dapat constant A. Lagi constant kan? So negative 1 times 3, negative 3B plus 3B then 3C. Constant lah. So sama lah. A kena ganti masuk, C pun ganti masuk, kiralah B. Okay. So B sepatutnya awak dapat. Awak kira lah, saya tak ada calculator. Ada tak tahu dah dekat apa ni, tak mencari pula nanti. Okay, so awak akan dapat, what number is this? 20 B. Awak akan dapat, okay, B 1 over 16. So nak buat apa dengan ABC ni? Ganti masuk balik dalam partial fractions kita. Okay. So partial fraction soalan asal. Ni. Okay. So please untuk express partial fraction mesti ada kepala soalan yang asal tu kena tulis balik. 3x plus 8 over with apa tadi? X plus 3 x minus 1 square. Lepas tu barulah ganti masuk semua jawapan dia. A negative 1 over 16 x plus 3. B 1 over 16 x minus 1. C berapa tadi? 11 over 1 over 4. C11 lah cikgu silap tulis. 11. Okay, 11 over 4. So 11 over 4 of x minus 1 square. So, suka saya nak ingatkan kena dengan kepala dia sekali nah. Kepala apa ni? Ni kepala ni. Kalau express as partial fraction, kepala ni wajib. Kamu suka tulis ekor je panjang kat belakang. Tak nak. Kita nak sekali dengan kepala-kepala dia. Okay, we want the whole thing. Macam gerabat kereta api kan, ada kepala kat depan barulah boleh tarik ekor kat belakang kan. So jangan tulis hanya yang ABC punya part. We need the whole equation. Okay?
21. Okay. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial. Factor. Substitute x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, or substitute p of 1, show that that one is equal to 0, and conclude this x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial setup. Number A, B express Px as a product of the three linear factors. Means you need to factorize completely. Completely. Number C, hence solve the equation when this is root is equal to 0. Find what is x1, x2, x3, root. Find roots of this polynomial. And then write down the solutions of equation p of x minus 1. Now this one you find the px is equal to 0. This statement you need to find px minus 1. So this x change to x minus 1. And settle. We're going to discuss number 21. A. 21A. Show that given that px is equal to 3x squared cube and then plus 7x squared minus 2x minus 8. Show this one factor. Okay, factor. First thing, find this, right? Ni automatic p of 1. Show that is equal to 0. Substitute 1. Show the step. Show this step. Substitute 1. This because of x is variable 1. And then show is equal to 0. 3 plus 7 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then make a conclusion. Okay, therefore just follow the question. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of px. Dah settle. Of the polynomial px. Settle, right? So that was normally give us certain marks. Okay. This is quite important. Start until ni 0. Then conclusion. Settle. Show that you substitute is equal to 0. Settle for part A, B pula. B express Px as a product of three linear factors. Okay, so Px is equal to, write down all the general form. This is the polynomial. Then the first linear factor. What is the first linear factor from A? Well, you can say that the first one apa? The first linear factor.
X minus 1.
Yes, x minus 1 confirm. This is one of the linear factor. Okay. Then the next step should be apa? In the form linear, constant, linear or quadratic?
Quadratic.
Quadratic, yeah. Good, quadratic. Okay, settle. So now we're going to find value A, B, C. Okay, and then use comparing the coefficient. Okay, so no need to use non-division. Let's say comparing the coefficient. Okay, I want to compare x. First is x cube, the highest level. Okay, so now for px, this is the highest, and then this is time this. Okay, so this is on the left hand side ni 3, and on the right hand side a. So a is equal to 3. The next step, constant, the lowest degree constant. Okay, so this is constant ni, constant. So -1 and c times c. Constant is on the left hand side. This is px side. Px -8, and then -1 times c, -c. Therefore c equals 8. Settle. The problem now to find b. B you can take, let's say, x squared. X squared. So what to produce x squared? Kita double check ni. This one 7. 7 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, this one ni is b squared. Yang ini -1 times a. So minus a. Yang may produce, no, this one enough. So b is equal to 7 plus a is 3, so b is equal to 10. Double check. I always say that you have to do double check. Coefficient x power 1. Choose this color. Ni x power 1. Okay, so -2 ni, -2, and produce x power 1 is c ni, cx, and then -1 b minus b. So b is equal to c plus 2, c 8, so 10. Yes, so b is equal to 10. Double check. Then substitute. A is 3 x squared plus 10x plus 8. This is expressed as a product of 3 linear factor. Is that you need to show 3 bracket. X minus 1 factorize x. So 2 times 4 2, 4 itu. Tu settle kan? 8 4x 3, 6. Okay, settle. Done. Settle. This is express px as a product of 3 linear factor, or factorize completely. In other words, factorize completely. Any problem, class? Okay, settle. Any problem? Or you can ask me. How many of you actually? Okay, settle. Okay. The only 4 students je on camera. Saya nak betul. Okay. Terus on. Dah. Still not complete, right? This is 21C. Okay. Hence, solve the equation 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Solve 0. So this one is equal to x minus 1, 3x plus 4, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Then means that you need to find root. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Therefore, x equals -4/3. Therefore, x equals -2. Settle for part 21C. Okay, settle lah. Okay. Taqiyuddin Nirmal, you show on camera. Kan? The rest pun. Kau pakai tudung pun. Okay.
I've already turned it on.
Okay. You have stories is okay. How about Taqiyuddin? Tengok sikit muka. Ada pun. Lighting dia. Ada. Okay. Handsome boy. Okay. A man. Dah man. Kan boy lagi man kan? Okay. Dah. Number 21D. Okay. Write down the solution of equation. Px minus 1 is equal to 0. Because matching so tengok ni You can see, as you can see, yang this one is Px. Px is equal to 0. Ni Px. Ni Px. Px is this one. Okay. So variable x. All variable x. Now the variable x change to x minus 1. X change to x minus 1. So all x is 1 change to x minus 1. Okay. X equals 1. X equals negative 4 over 3. X equals negative 2. Now the variable change to x minus 1. X minus 1. X minus 1. X minus 1. Or x minus 1 equals 1. X minus 1 equals negative 4 over 3. X minus 1 equals negative 2. Okay, ni dia punya. Okay, from when x is equal x variable x, Px is equal to 0. The answer is this one, the three answers. Now when this x change to x minus 1, everything dekat sini ni change to x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Okay, this new variable, new x. Then simplify. X is equal to 2. X is equal to negative 1 over 3 ke? Check. X is equal to negative 1. Okay, check. You can check the answer. 21. Okay. Ini level check. Good. 2, negative 1, negative 1 over 3. Okay, done. Settle for part D. Settle. Ini ni Q. Normally P kan? Now Q. But this is considered polynomial. Calculate. Substitute lah. Same like given P, X and substitute. Calculate the value. Dah done. Okay. Express QX in the form of this one. So, X plus A. This linear. This is quadratic. Hence solve the equation, find root. Okay, so ini, this is polynomial, then substitute. Then this one, either you find this one linear factor and one quadratic. Okay, linear, quadratic, then solve. Okay, and check, is it the quadratic can be factorized to the simplest form or just a quadratic which cannot be factorized. Okay, so discuss number 22. Number 22, QX. Okay, treatment say like PX. Minus 3x squared plus x plus 1. And then A, substitute. Okay, value. Just substitute. Okay. Substitute. And gain mark. Then for the value, negative 1. Okay, ini 1, negative 3, minus 1, plus 1. So, this one is equal to negative 4. Dah, stop. Then substitute Q of 1. Okay, substitute 1. Q plus minus. Kita substitute dia. minus 3, 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. And then 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Kan? Settle. Settle for part A. Part B, express QX in the form of one linear factor and one quadratic factor. Okay, so QX ni B okay, x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, so from the first part, this one and this, what you can conclude? Cuba check for this one. What you can conclude? Conclude what? We want in this form. Ni, what you can conclude? Which one? Who wants to try? Try. Nak conclude apa? Either this one or this. Cepat. Ni. What you can conclude?
Factor is x minus 1.
X minus 1 is a okay, factor. So one other factor is x minus 1. Minus ni minus. Okay, x minus 1. This one is x plus 1, right? X minus 1. This is one of the factor. Now you need to find quadratic. Okay, quadratic. Or terus x squared plus bx minus 1 by inspection, right? Or just follow the procedure to find A, B and C. Kat sini kecil. Okay, so first find the highest degree coefficient x cube. This one 1. Okay, on the left hand side, this will consider on left hand side. Left hand side, left hand side. This one consider right hand side. Okay, and then ni 1 and x times this A. So A is equal to 1. Settle. And then constant. Ni, this one. Itu one. The last one and the last one. The last one of the first bracket times the last one of the second bracket. And then on the left hand side, 1. On the right hand side, negative C. Therefore, C is equal to negative 1. Now, to find B. Okay, to find B. Okay, this one be x squared. X squared on the left hand side, negative 3. On the right hand side, ni times B. This one times this, negative A. So A is equal to 1. Bring here negative 4. Double check x power 1. On the left hand side, the green one is 1. And the right hand side ni times the last one ni. Because ada 3 cabang kan. Okay, C ni dengan ni negative B. So B is equal to C negative 1. Ni beri sana. C minus 1. So C, wait, tak sama. Wait careless ke? Kena double check, right? Careless ke apa tak? Ini 1. Ini x C. This one negative B. C is negative 1. Bring here minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Check, double check. Careless. Which one correct? Check. Wait lah.
Yang x squared tu negative 1.
Okay, okay. So ini negative 3 B minus A, right? So B is okay. Yang ini negative 3 plus A kan? A equals 1. So negative 2. Tu yang double check. Itu penting double check for X square and X. Okay, proceed. Thank you. X minus 1. A dia 1. B negative 2X minus 1. Okay. X ni pattern dia X plus A, X squared plus BX plus C. Pattern kan yang A kan? Ni B. So settle lah, settle. 1 linear factor, 1 quadratic factor. Settle. Tak payah lebih. Okay. Habis B. C. Okay. Solve the equation when QX is equal to 0. So ini, okay, QX, okay, X cube minus 3X squared plus X plus 1. And then, okay, is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. QX is equal to 0. This is QX. Is equal to 0. Okay. The next step. Okay, this one in the form of X minus 1. X squared minus 2X minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we're going to solve. Find roots. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Or this bracket is equal to 0. Okay. This part X is equal to 1. Settle. Yang this part, you can use calculator. You can use calculator. Okay, let's say I don't want to use calculator. Yang old class lah. Kan? Dulu zaman dulu. Okay. But you can use calculator. Give answer in X is equal to something. X is equal to something. Tak ada masalah. Let's say just want to show you to refresh about the complete the square. Tekan Tapi you can use calculator. Ni tak kacau. Okay. Just involve variable X. So X minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So X minus 1 squared positive negative. And then X minus 1 squared is equal to 2. Okay. And then X minus 1 equals to plus minus 2. Your X is equal to 1 plus minus 2. So your X equals 1 plus 2 or X equals 1 minus 2. Am I right? Check. Betul? Okay. Oh, you can give in decimal. Ni apa decimal ni? Is it 2.414? Betul? Check. Dan ini negative 0.4142 Okay. So you get the 3. You need to show 3 values. Ini or this one. Tak apa. No hard. Tak ada masalah. Settle for number 22. Number 23. Okay. Ni, berarti P when Px divided by X plus 3, remainder 2A. So, apa dia? Interpret this first sentence to mathematical. Apa dia? What does it mean? Siapa boleh buat? Divided by X plus 3, remainder 2A. Apa dia? P of apa ni? P of? Hey, cepat. Tak tanya soalan, kena tanya. Ni first sentence ni apa dah? Tak tahu soal kata tak ada soal membina pula. Ni. P of apa ni? Try. It's okay. Salah tak apa. Saya dah kenyang tak makan orang. P of apa? Ni. X apa X ni? X is equal to negative 3. Substitute. Ni. Remainder kat mana? Answer is apa? P of negative 3. Apa dia sini? Ni budak ni. Ini very good class ni. Biasanya apa? Buat. Remainder is equal to 2. Ni apa ni? Minus ke tolak equals? Rendah aja.
Equal.
Equal to to A, right? Ni. Ini P polynomial divided by X plus 3 means you substitute X to ni by negative 3. The remainder is to A. This is this one. Interpret the first sentence to mathematical sentence. Settle. The second one, try the second one. When Px is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is negative 3. Who wants to try? Ni, P of apa? P of 2, good, is equal to? Yes. Senang je. Nah. Then find the remainder when Px is divided by both. Okay. So find remainder. Find remainder. Okay. P is. Okay. Okay. Ini Px is divided by x plus 3, x plus 3. So, Px ini, okay, dan kalau you follow dia punya ini, Qx, Gx plus Rx, kan remainder theorem sama ni, right? Kan, kalau A. Now, dia punya divisor is quadratic, right? If the divisor is quadratic, agak-agak remainder dia value apa? Remainder dia ni quadratic. Remainder constant or linear. Between two je, tak lain dah. Constant or linear? Who dare to try? This is quite important ni. Dia punya remainder constant or linear? Idina dah cakap tu, tak on kamera, tak on mic. Try je.
Linear.
Good. Dia less one power kan? Ni. Linear. Ni still less one power. If divisor quadratic, remainder linear. Ingat tu less one power. Same like partial fraction juga kan, macam tu. Bawah quadratic, up here less one power. Okay, ini info dia. Info first, second and last sekali. Actually this is x plus 3, x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, sama je. Okay, so okay, so P of negative 3 to A. P of 2 negative 3A. A ni. And then find the remainder. Okay. Find the remainder when P x divided by x plus 3, x minus 2. Okay. So you can do straight or using the concept. Concept. Okay, sama je. Kalau you nak direct, Okay, since dx x minus 3 plus 3 x minus 2 a quadratic, therefore Rx is ax plus b, linear. Terus, so direct because of follow the punya ni PS is equal to remainder theorem, this one. So direct lah you boleh buat. First is yang first ni when this one. Okay, P negative 3 equals R negative 3, then substitute negative 3A plus B is equal to 2A. So ni, this is one equation. Okay, the second equation, when P equals to S equals to R2, substitute 2A plus B is equal to ini kan, negative 3A. So this one equation 1. This one equation 2. So find A and B. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Ini negatif Negative 3A plus B is equal to 2A kecil. Okay, 2A plus B is equal to negative 3A. Macam tak ada lain. Minus 3 negative minus. This one mati. 2A minus 5A kecil. Okay. So therefore A is equal to negative A. Focus is A. Our focus is ni, caps A kan, ni. Okay, in the small A is only the punya same like constant lah. Okay, number kan. Okay, now next step find B. B use the equation 2 lah. 2A plus B is equal to negative 3A. Therefore, B is equal to negative 2A. Then, check. Find the remainder. So, this remainder is AX plus B. Okay. Remainder AX plus B. Substitute negative AX minus A. And then can factorize We factorize. Take a negative A as a factor. X plus 1. Settle. Okay, itu cara direct. Let's say if you going to use konsep kata nak guna konsep ni, dapat P negative 3 is equal to 2A. P of 2 is equal to negative 3A. So konsep PX, QX, DX plus RX. Substitute lah. PX, we don't know what is PX kan. QX pun don't know. But DX is equal to X plus 3, X minus 2. And RX is linear. Yang ni kena tahu juga akhirnya. Linear. Sama aja. Linear. And then substitute lah. Substitute. We going to make sure this term change to 0. Ni aim kita by substituting P, let's say ni negative 3. Ni confirm 0. Negative 3 plus ni 0. So negative 3 plus B. P negative 3 is equal to A. is equal to 2A. So negative 3A plus B is equal to A. This is first equation. Sama je. This one going using concept. Okay. And then P of 2. So ni confirm 0. 2 minus 2 0 plus 2A plus B. Yang ini is equal to this one. Inilah kan ni. Okay, so is equal to negative 3A. Okay, this one first equation, second equation. So solve lah tadi macam A is equal to negative A, right? B is equal to negative A. Check betul. So substitute dalam R. We want R kan? This R. Yang the hot pink and purple ni. R sama juga AX plus B. Okay, substitute. Substitute, settle. Using the concept. Any problem, class? Number 24. Given polynomial. Ni. A, B. B unknown. X tu variable. A, B unknown. Divided by X minus 2. This polynomial divided by X minus 2, the remainder is N1. Apa dia info ni? P of apa? 2 is equal to N1. And then when P ni divided by X plus 3, remainder is N2. Apa dia? P of 3 is yes. At least you can interpret the question. At least and ni. Okay. Where given X given negative 1 is a 0 of P. Siapa buat? Boleh?
PJ negative 1 0.
Good. Okay. Then dia pun bagi relation between N2 dengan N1. Okay. The next step you need to find N1, N2, AB. Ada 4 unknown. Kalau check ada 4 equation. This is first 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equation lah. Ini 1, 2, 3, 4 unknown. So using simultaneous equation, find N1, N2, A and B. So from here we need to create the 4 equation. Okay, in this one in A and B terms lah. Okay, instead it's quite difficult when you want to solve using calculator, right? Kena guna ni lah. Try 24. Ada ini 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one buat tak macam mana. Okay. PX. Okay, ada dia punya actual punya. Okay. Why quite tough because of dia guna variable variable X, A, B, okay, not the digit, right? P of 2 is equal to divided by 2, the remainder is N1. Is ada titik pula. N1. P of negative 3 is equal to N2. And then P of negative 1 is equal to 0. Then N2 equals negative 14 and 1. Kena tengok ni, hari ni kena alert lah ni. Okay, so kita start first. Okay, yang ini first. P of 2 substitute kat sini. Okay, all X ni X ni X, 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 X. x. Substitute. So P of 2 replace all, substitute all variable x to 2. A plus 1, 2 squared plus A 2 minus B is equal to N1. Atau tak biasa. Okay, because of this one is equal to see N1. Boleh juga. No problem because of P2 N1. P2 N1. Tak ada masalah. Simplify 8 minus 4 A plus 1 plus 2A minus B. Atau expanding 8 minus 4A minus 4 plus 2A minus B is equal to N1. Boleh juga dah kan. Okay, better write equals on the right hand side. Then simplify negative 2A atau ni potong-potong 4. 4 minus 2A minus B is equal to N1. Biarlah macam ni dulu. Okay, the second is ni pula. Kita try ni. And then P of substitute x by negative 2. So negative 3 A plus 1 negative 3 squared plus A negative 3 minus B. So this one is equal to N2. Okay, so N2 lah ni. N2. Negative 27. Okay, ini 9 9A plus 1 AA. Minus 3A minus B. Okay, atau simplify lagi, expand. This is 9 9A, differentiate 9 dengan A minus 9 minus 3A, semua minus ni. Apa, kita continue je dah. Ada sum tengok ke? Negatif. Betul kot, kita continue kita kena confident. Ini this one negatif 36 minus 12A minus B is equal to N2. Or 36 plus 12A plus B equals negative N2. Okay, so this is another one. Lepas tu the third info is ni, yang P of negative 1 is equal to 0. Kita guna ni pula. Color kuning. Ni. Ni. P negative 1 equals 0. And hitam pula. P of negative 1 cube minus A plus 1 negative 1 squared plus A negative 1 minus B. This one is equal to 0. 0 saja. Okay, so negative 1 minus A plus 1 minus A minus B. So kita simplify. Negative 1 you must skip step kita skip. Is equal to 0. Negative 2A negative 2 minus B is equal to 0. Atau 2 plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. So you ada ketik-ketik lah. Okay, ni ada ni first equation, second, third. So saya rewrite 4 minus 2A minus B. 4 minus 2A minus B is equal to apa? N1. N1. Lepas tu 36 plus 12A plus B equals negative N2. Kutip dulu 2 plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. Satu lagi apa? Yang dia bagi tu? and 2 is equal to 14 and 1. Okay. So sekarang ni kita nak cari apa? N1, N2, A, B. Ni. Sekejap. Macam mana nak buat Ada idea. Ini kita guna between this. Kita try. Ya. Okay. Ini namakan equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Kita try between 1 and 3. 1 plus 3. Try. So, 4 minus 2A minus B is equal to N1. 2 minus 2 plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. Plus Plus. So, 6. Mati. And 1. Okay, check dulu. Supaya kita tak pergi mana-mana. So, betul. Therefore, dah dapat. Therefore, N1 equals 6. Settle. And then substitute into the 4 lah terus. Senang. Ini substitute 4. Okay, N2. N2 minus 14 and 1. Carikan apa ni? 84 ke? Alhamdulillah. You betul kan? Betul, 84. Betul kan?
Betul.
Okay. So settle. Now to find A and B. Guna apa lah? Ni. Okay. Give idea please. Ini. Let's say ni. Between this. Try. Between 1 and 2 Okay. So the try 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus. So 4 minus 2A minus B equals N1. Equation 2 is 36 12B. 36 plus 12A plus B is equal to N2 negative. Okay. Okay, negative N2. Negative. And kita plus. Ni 40. Negative, positive, plus 10A. Mati. So, N1 minus N2. Okay. And then, substitute lah. 40 plus 10A. N1 equals 6. N2 equals negative 80. Okay. Help me. Carikan. 10A yang ini plus 90 90 minus 40. So therefore A is equal to 5 ke? Betul Okay. Then use the equation 3 senang. Equation 3 ni 2A B 0. 2 plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. Substitute lah. 2 plus 2A plus B is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore B is equal to negative 12. So dapat apa? N1 equals 6. N2 equals negative 84. A is equal to 5. B is equal to negative 12. Dan panjang. Okay? Dan settle.